Hello, dear cadets. I am Sheikh Wajid Ali, and I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all in today's class. As you all know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself, and so it is struggling with lack of education everywhere. For this very reason, now I am here to take your online class on mathematics, and you must be attentive in order to use the advantage of it. Dear cadets, can you guess from the picture what we are going to learn today? Okay, that is BODMAS. This is one rule for algebraic expression simplification. V for bracket, O for order, D for divide, M for multiply, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So our today's topic is chapter 4.3 simplification learning outcome. After the lesson, you will be able to explain the use of brackets in algebraic expression, apply the formulas of a simplification, and also solve problems using brackets. Now, use of brackets. So let's see the following expression. Third bracket, second bracket, a minus first bracket 2b plus 2c, first bracket close, into 10, second bracket close, plus d, third bracket close, divided by 2. So here, first bracket, second bracket, and third brackets have been used. So we have first bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. These three brackets are used in this expression. The rule for the placing the bracket is third bracket, second bracket, first bracket close, second bracket close, and third bracket close. So inside the all bracket we have first bracket, and then outside of first bracket we have second bracket, and the most outsider is third bracket. So first we have to take first bracket, third bracket, then second bracket, then first bracket, and then we have to close the first bracket and also then close second bracket and then also close third bracket. So we have two version. One is for enter and another is for closing. Beside that, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division sign have been in the above expression. In the simplification of such expression, BODMAS rule is followed. The elaboration of BODMAS is B for bracket, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And again, in case of bracket, the operations of first, second, and third bracket are done successively. So for simplification of expression, we use BODMAS rule, B for bracket, and we have three bracket. First we operate first bracket, then second bracket, and then finally third bracket. And O for order. Order means exponential term, and D for division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. This is the rule for simplification. And now we see how to elimination of bracket. So here observe a plus first bracket b minus c. So here we have b minus c inside of first bracket, and precedes or before first bracket we have positive sign. So now we see that, observe, if b greater than c, here a is that part and b is that part and c also this part. So b minus c is, b is total this part and c is this part. So b minus c will be this part. And again, a is this part. So A plus B minus C is this part. And from this picture, we see that A is this part, B is this part, and C is this part. So A is this part and B is this part. This is total A plus B, and minus C is this part. So A plus B minus C is this part. So, and from this picture, we understand that if positive sign precedes a bracket, signs of the terms inside the bracket will not be changed when the bracket is removed. So here we have A plus, so here B sign is positive. Here C sign is negative, and here C sign is negative. So sign is will be not changed. The following equation is given, and from this picture we can write an equation. This is A plus first bracket B minus C, and after eliminating this first bracket we get A plus B minus C. So we have positive sign before first bracket, so signs inside the bracket will not change. And now elimination of bracket for negative sign before the first bracket, A minus B minus C. So again, from another picture is here, A is this part total, and we observe that B greater than C, so B minus C is positive, and A greater than B minus C, so A minus B minus C is also positive. So now A is total part, and B is this part, and C is this part. So B minus C is this part, and A is total. So A minus B minus C is this part. Okay, from this. Now A minus B plus C. A is total, B is this part, and C is this part. So A is total, minus B is this part. So A minus B is this part, and plus C is this part. So A minus B plus C is this part. So this part and here this part is are same. So we observe that we can say if negative sign precedes a bracket, sign of the terms inside the bracket will be changed to opposite sign. So, and when the bracket is removed. Now we see from this picture here A minus B minus C. Here B has positive sign. So here B is negative sign. Here C has negative sign. Here C has positive sign. So sign is changed. So now we can say the following equation is given. From these two pictures, we can write an equation that is A minus B minus C equal to A minus B plus C. The sign inside the bracket will be changed. Here positive B sign, here negative B sign, here negative C sign, here positive C sign. The sign will be changed if the negative sign precedes a bracket. Okay, now we are going to solve problems. Easy level question. Problem 1. Simplify A plus second bracket B minus first bracket C minus D, first bracket close, second bracket closed. Now solution. Here we have first bracket C minus D, and before the first bracket we have negative sign. The sign will be changed inside the first bracket. So C sign will be negative and this sign will be positive. And the other remaining part is same. So A plus second bracket B minus C plus D, second bracket close. And now we have to remove second bracket, and before second bracket we have positive sign, so inside the sign will be same. So A plus B, A plus B minus C plus D, sign is same. So the final simplification result is a plus b minus c plus d. Now problem 2. Simplify 6 minus 2 into second bracket 5 minus 8 minus 3 first bracket close plus first bracket 5 plus 2 first bracket close second bracket closed. So solution, we have 2 first bracket and first 8 minus 3, this first bracket have negative sign and this first bracket have positive sign. So inside the first bracket, we have to simplify. 8 minus 5, that means plus 5, and 5 plus 2, that is plus 7. So this is plus 5, and before the first bracket, we have negative sign. So sign of this 5 will be changed by minus 5. This 5 minus 5. And here positive sign, so this positive will remain same, this positive sign. And now we have to remove second bracket, and before removing we have to simplify inside the second bracket. Minus 5, here this positive sign, so positive 5 and negative 5 will be eliminated, and here we have plus 7. So 6 minus 2 into plus 7. Here second bracket will be removed, and before the second bracket we have minus 2 into 7. So 2 into 7, and here is negative sign, so it is negative. 6 minus 14. 2 into 7, 14. So 6 minus 14 is minus 8. So our simplification result is minus 8. Now, medium level question. The question is problem 1. Insert the third and fourth terms of 3x minus 4y minus 8z plus 5 within the first bracket by putting minus sign before the bracket, and then insert the second term and expression inside the first bracket together within second bracket by putting minus sign within it. Boys, so here from the previous two questions we have to simplify, and now we have the simplification result. We have to introduce bracket. So now solution, the third and fourth terms of the expression 8z and 5, 8z and 5 respectively. So we have to put minus sign before these two terms and use a first bracket. So according to the question, we can write 3x minus 4y. This part is remain same, and minus sign, because we have to say that minus sign before the first bracket. So minus sign 8z minus 5. Here 8z has negative sign, so inside the bracket 8z will be positive sign because we take negative sign before the first bracket. And here it has positive sign, positive 5, it will be negative 5 because we introduce negative sign before the bracket. And now the other part. Now again 3x minus the second term is 4y. It has positive sign, it has negative sign, and we have just put minus sign before the second bracket, so it will be positive sign inside the bracket. And here it has negative sign before the first bracket, so we have now positive sign because we introduced negative sign before the second bracket. So boys, I hope you understand. This is another type of problem of this chapter, introducing bracket. Now another medium level question, problem 2. Simplify 3x minus 5y minus 10z minus 5x minus 10y plus 3z, first bracket close, second bracket close, third bracket closed. So here we have first bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. So this is first bracket, and before the first bracket we have negative sign. So inside the first bracket the sign will be changed. So this is 5x, it will be minus 5x. This is minus 10y, it will be positive 10y. It has minus plus 3z, it will be minus 3z, and other part remain same. So inside the, we have inside the second bracket minus 10z minus 5x plus 10y minus 3z. So this we need some simplification because here 10z and here minus 3z. So 10z minus 3z is 7z. So 7z minus 5x plus 10y. Now before the second bracket we have negative sign. So the sign inside the second bracket will be changed if we remove second bracket, and the other part remains same. So it is minus 7z and plus 5x, and plus will be minus, so minus 10y. Now before removing third bracket, we need to simplify inside the third bracket. Here 5y and here is minus 10y. So 5y minus 10y is minus 5y. So it is minus 7z plus 5x minus 5y. And before the third bracket we have minus sign. So sign inside the third bracket will be changed if we remove third bracket, and if we remove then we get plus 7z minus 5x plus 5y. And now if simplify that, 3x minus 5x is minus 2x, and 7z remains same and 5y remains same. So the final simplification result minus 2x plus 5y plus 7z. Now boys, we have the third level question. Now problem 1, simplify a minus third bracket b minus second bracket c minus second first bracket d minus e first bracket close second bracket close minus f third bracket close. So we have first bracket, and before the first bracket we have minus sign. So inside the first bracket the sign will be changed, and it is c minus d plus e second bracket close. So we need to simplify second bracket, and then we remove second bracket. So before the second bracket we have minus sign. So inside the second bracket the sign will be changed. So it is minus b minus c minus, so it will be positive plus d, here negative sign, so it will be positive minus e, and the other part minus f. So this is third bracket, we need to remove third bracket, and before the third bracket we have negative sign, so sign will be changed inside the third bracket. So we get a minus b plus c minus d plus e plus f. So the final simplification result is a minus b plus c minus d plus e plus f. Now hard level question, another hard level and last hard level question is problem 2, simplify 3x minus 5y plus third bracket 2 plus second first bracket 3y minus x first bracket close plus second bracket 2x minus first bracket x minus 2y first bracket close second bracket close third bracket close. So we have two first bracket 3y minus x. Before this first bracket we have positive sign, so this sign will be same, and here x minus 2y, this first bracket has positive negative sign before, so this sign will be changed. So now another part remain same. So we write 3x minus 5y plus 2 first bracket plus first bracket 2 plus here plus 3y and it is minus x and plus 2x minus, so it is minus sign, it will be changed minus x plus 2y and 2x minus x is x. So x plus 2y, and now we have to remove the second bracket, and before the second bracket we have positive sign, so inside the second bracket the sign will be same, so other part remains same, 3x minus 5y plus third bracket 2 plus 3y minus x, and it is remains same, so x plus 2y, and x will be vanished, minus x plus x equal to 0, and here plus 3y and here 2y will be 5y, so 3x minus 5y plus 2 plus 5y, and we have to remove this third bracket, and before the third bracket we have positive sign, so sign will be inside the third bracket, sign will be same, so now we remove third bracket, we get 3x minus 5y plus 2 plus 5y, the sign remains same. So now we have 3x and minus 5y and plus 5y will be cancelled and it will be 0. Then we get 3x plus 2. The final simplification result 3x plus 2. Boys, that's all for today. I hope I could clarify my points. For better understanding, you ask your queries in comment section. Your homework is here. Simplify minus 5 minus third bracket minus 8 minus 7 minus second bracket 5 minus 7 plus 3 first bracket 3 minus 1 first bracket close minus 9 second bracket minus 4 second bracket close. Simplify this. And number 2, simplify minus a plus third bracket minus 5b minus 4a plus second bracket 5a minus 7b minus first bracket 3b minus 2b first bracket closed, second bracket closed, third bracket closed. And number 3, simplify 3x minus 5y plus third bracket 2 plus first bracket 3y minus x first bracket close plus second bracket 2x minus first bracket x minus 2y first bracket closed, second bracket closed, third bracket closed. And fourth one, insert the second and third and fourth terms of the expression a minus b plus c minus d within the first bracket by putting minus sign before the bracket, and last one, if 15x square plus 7x minus 2 and 5x minus 1 are two algebraic expressions, find the product of them. Boys, you must do it sincerely. Before ending my class, again I would like to remind you the critical situation prevailing around the whole world. You must cautious about COVID-19, maintain social distancing, use mask and gloves whenever you come in contact with anybody, wash your hands frequently with hand sanitizers, stay home, stay safe, stay fine. With this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.